Welcome back. Let's just look at HTML icon or favicon. Favicon is an icon that we always see on the browser, on the address bar of the browser. So when you look at this place, now you see this title we have here. We discussed title earlier. So let me just put icon there for favicon as the title favicon. Okay. Now here you see we have this favicon. Now we have the icon for it. So you want to change the icon, want your brand icon to be here. What you're going to do is come here and put link. So the image, put the image you want it to come out, the image you want to show. Now come in here where you have Rails equals to star sheet, you change it to icon. Right? Now see the icon is showing now. The icon is showing. Good. Then the next thing you can as well put type image slash X icon. So this is how to add icon to your web page. Another thing I want us to look at is HTML entity. There are some reserved keywords in HTML or some reserved characters in HTML. If you want to create something like less than character or less than sign, you need to use the entity. You can't use this. I mean, if you want to use this sign or this sign, you know why you can't use it? Because it will mix it up with tag. Already, tags are written in this way. So what you're going to use is HTML entity. HTML entity. So they are used to represent reserved characters in HTML. So for us to create less than sign, we are going to be using this, then L, T. So we're able to create this less than sign. Then you can say whatever you want to say. I can say I can have my paragraph tag here, right? Let me take this inside the paragraph tag. I have it here. I can say 40 is less than 50, but 100 is, now for greater than sign we use similar entity but not the same. So we have this G T, right? So I have this, but 80, but 100 is greater than 50. See what I did now? So this is it. This is for we have numerous entities in HTML. They are so numerous. So I will give you a link, or let's search for HTML entity here. Come here, I'll search for HTML entity. So click on this first one. So you scroll down, you can see these are HTML entities. We have a lot and lots of them here, right? So you can try them out and see their results. See you in next class. Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we treated HTML entities. Now let us look at HTML symbols. Quickly, there are symbols that are used to represent different characters in HTML. So HTML symbols, they are symbols or letters that are not present in your keyboard. Okay? So you can add them using some characters or some entities. If you search for them on your keyboard, you can't really see them. Something like euro sign. To get euro sign or euro symbols, we use this, say euro, comma, semicolon. So it gives us euro sign. You can as well get euro sign using this characters. H3 46 46 sorry 64. So this gives us euro sign. Now we have other symbols that we can use. So say we want to get this empty set symbol. Of course, it's not on the keyboard. So we are gonna use this, then 809, right? This is an empty set. So it's not on the keyboard. There are numerous symbols we can use in HTML. Okay. So even we can use the n summation symbol. You can get summation symbol too. So coming here, we use this, then 87, 21, right? So it gives, excuse me, it gives us the summation symbol. So that's it. You can as well look up for summation symbol. Sorry, I mean HTML symbols on the browser. So I also recommend you go use this website always for your references. W3 schools. W3 schools. So once you type it on the browser, you can go to HTML, right? So you can make references to this particular site. The other sites online you can also make references to. But this one is more preferable for me. Alright, thank you and see you in the next lesson.